One shameful act, and within hours, an Indian passenger ended up behind bars. What exactly happened on that flight? On a flight to Singapore, a 35 years old Indian passenger repeatedly behaved inappropriately towards a female flight attendant by touching her without consent. The cabin crew tried to stop him, but he refused to listen. What made the situation even worse was that his friends did not stop him. Instead, they allegedly laughed and encouraged his behavior. As soon as the flight landed, the cabin crew reported the incident to the authorities. Singapore police arrested the passenger at airport. The case was taken to court and after reviving the evidence, the judge sentenced the man to 6 months in prison. This incident is a reminder that harassment is never a joke. In many countries, such behavior is treated as serious criminal offense and can lead to immediate legal consequence.